places like Ripponlea and Como. They're really priceless. Once they're gone, they're not coming back. Ripponlea is a very special heritage site. It's actually on the National Heritage List, and that's mostly because of the garden. Almost all of the 14 acres of 19th century ornamental garden has survived to today and is still here for us to enjoy.
Some of these trees date back to the 1880s, so you know, if we lose them, that's a significant piece of heritage gone from the garden.
Irrigation at a site like this is huge. Ripponlea has an amazing water supply of its own, so we're not reliant on mains water here, but that is a lot of effort and a lot of maintenance required to keep that all ticking, especially in the summer months. So that would certainly be one of the biggest challenges, and keeping the water up to 14 acres of garden when it's not just a matter of turning on the tap.
We're only 4 gardeners, and you know, that's a lot of walking if you're trying to go from the control box to the station. The Reece products that we've had recently, such as the irrigation system, has been an absolute blessing for us. Now we can do it remotely from our phone.
Reece were kind enough to invite us along to introduce Ripponlea and Como House and bring them up to speed with the newest hardware, which we've upgraded in this process.
Our irrigation maintenance here is really fundamental to the job we've got, especially in summer. It's almost a full-time job keeping the system operating efficiently, and Reece have been our supplier for our irrigation needs for a long time now. Reece here in Caulfield. There's someone finding something that needs fixing most days here during the summer months, and Reece have been able to supply our needs and materials, etc.
We decided on the Alex series of controllers along with the IQ central control platform, which provides the end user the capability to operate whether they're at Como House, Ripponlea or anywhere in the world. It's one platform that gives them access to their irrigation system.
The swimming pool at Ripponlea was built in the 1930s, so it's significant in its own right. It's also, I guess, the centrepiece of the commercial operations of the site.
The National Trust uses this function area a lot, and the pool always has to look good.
There's a really beautiful Moreton Bay fig tree above the pool, which has these really great but really big leaves that drop into the pool, and they're basically of the size that they were blocking the system as we were having to manually vacuum it.
So we need to be able to rely on a good machine like the pool robot supplied by Reece to keep the pool clean, to give us more time to look after other areas of the garden and the property.
We also have a really great heritage pool that's a similar age at a property called Mooramong in the Western Districts of Victoria. The pool is 80 to 90 years old as well, and we had similar problems there, but probably even less resourcing from the team able to spend the time. The pool's also reliant on bore water, so there's different management issues there as well, but again, keeping it clean with old plumbing was becoming very difficult. Through Reece we were able to get another pool robot in the pool at Mooramong, which it's looking best it has in years now.
When you get an opportunity to partake in these type of opportunities in this type of landscape, you jump at it. With great pride and privilege, we are part of just a small snippet of it, but we play a pretty important role around here too. So yeah, it's an absolute pleasure to be involved.
You invest a lot of your own time and effort into the garden, and to know that it's going to be there for future generations. It's a really important, one-of-a-kind garden.
It's not just about the past, so we're not just wanting to present how things were, that they really have an important role to play now and into the future. They're really priceless. Once they're gone, they're not coming back.